Oh shit, I'm like nervous. Alright. Welcome back to my YouTube. Alright. Welcome back to my YouTube. Is it recording? Okay. Bro, okay, we're back now. We're back. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, it's been a while, I know. It's been about like 8 months, I'm pretty sure. Brief updates on my life. Went to school, I came back. Now I'm here. I mean, I could go into detail, but I don't think anybody cares, so I'm just gonna get on with the video. Also, I know the background's it's quite ghetto, but I don't think that's why you're here. You're here for me and the SAT. Basically, this is really weird. I think it's quite sad that I'm doing this, but honestly, a few days ago, an idea popped into my noggin. I was just like, why don't I retake the SAT? Because that's what a normal person thinks. Kidding. I just feel like retaking it would just sort of like make a point. I don't know what the point is. I guess we'll find out after I see my score, but I don't know. I think it'll just be interesting just to see like if I do worse or better. I don't know. I feel smarter than I did like 2 years ago, but who knows? Maybe I'm actually more stupid. Yeah, maybe I actually am more stupid. We'll find out, I guess. I just think, like, honestly, like the SAT is such like a weird test. It's a really terrible reflection of like how much you actually know, and I don't think it's a good reflection of like how smart you actually are, how dumb a person is. Like, it's so stupid. I just want to see, after just being around like college students, just like learning like new things and like, I don't know, getting smart, like if like I do better or worse. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stop talking. We're just gonna get into it.
Much later.
Okay, so I'm in my room right now. Peep the Kanye, post it, whatever, you can't see it. Okay, I'm in my room and I'm about to print out a test. I say, oh, okay. So basically, I didn't know if I should take it online, like on a computer, on a computer. I didn't know if I should take it on a computer or why is there on my? Sorry. All right, I don't know if I should have taken it on a computer or actually like, you know, like print out the test to actually like simulate the SAT environment, because that's something I really want to do. Yes. I decided I'm going to print it out because I want to put myself through hell. All right, bye.
Much later.
Okay, so this is the test I'm going to take. It's the March 2020 SAT. It's a real SAT test because I want the authentic.
Much later.
How the hell am I supposed to set this up? Whatever. Could be better. Fucking test. I regret 100% printing this shit out, but I can't change the past. You can only change the future. So let's get on with it. All right. So the closer I get to actually like taking this thing, like the more I just like I'm reminded of how much like trauma my head is like cut out. Oh, I'm just gonna hold it here. The closer I get to actually taking this thing, like the less excited. I was never excited to begin with, but like the less I want to do it because this test is traumatic for so many reasons. Like it's long. It's just annoying to take. But anyway, I'm just gonna do it. I haven't picked up a book to study in like almost like 2 years, and I haven't taken the test in like 1.5 years. So I don't know what to. I mean, I know what to expect, but like I don't think I'm ready. Whatever. I'm just gonna do it and just hope for the best. Honestly, I don't give a f, but whatever happens, happens. So alright, I'm gonna set the timer on my phone, and we're gonna do this thing. This camera doesn't have time lapse, so I'm probably gonna switch to my phone to time lapse it. So if you notice like a huge downgrade in quality, then you know why. Alright, so I just finished the writing section of like this test, bro, and honestly I'm like disgusted, but I'm also like impressed that I was able to like do that in high school without like being like exhausted, because bro, I'm exhausted. Like holy crap, like I never want to do that again, ever. Like this is a stupid idea. I'm so mad I did this to myself, like, and I regret my decision to do this wholeheartedly because I'm struggling and I'm suffering. I'm sorry, there's a plane. Anyways, I don't know if it was just this particular test, but like a lot of the like passages were so dry. Like What am I reading about? Terrible. I mean, I don't think it went like horribly, but it could have been better for sure. I'm just glad I don't have to do this. I'm so sorry if you're a high school student who has to take this test, bro, because I feel for you, okay? I feel for you.
But imagine how tired we are. Imagine how tired we are of it.
I don't like reading, so maybe like I'm hoping that the writing and like math sections are a little bit easier because I don't know, I did better on those sections. I knew it on the actual test when I took it. So reading was definitely an experience that I don't want to experience again. Now we're gonna take writing, so I will be back. Alright, I've made the executive decision to move upstairs to my room, particularly in my bed, because I want to be comfortable. Alright. Yep, I'm about to take writing and language. Let's get it. Okay. Alright, so I just finished like the writing section of like the test, and wow. A lot of the things on like the writing and I think reading section as well are things that like you're not gonna use like in college. Like just really like arbitrary and like really niche like topics and like concepts that like don't really come up in like your standard like writing or English class. Like it's more just about like how you think and not less about like the actual like technicalities of like grammar and like reading comprehension. Like I don't know, like I'll get more into that like once I'm done, like after I see my score. It'll sort of give me an idea of like what all of this really means. So yeah, I'm about to take the no calculator math section, my favorite section because I like math, but we'll see how this goes. All right, I'll be back. So I just finished taking the math no calculator section and I think it went fine. Like there were just like 2 questions I didn't know, but honestly like it's basic like arithmetic for like this part at least. I don't know what to say. It was what I expected it to be. So it wasn't that bad, but I don't know. We'll see how I did.
Much later.
Okay, but I just finished taking the test and I graded it and I have documents with me. Honestly, I have mixed feelings and you'll see why. Brief background on my SAT history. Took the test my first time junior year. I got 1150. I don't know what the exact score was. It'll be here. And then I took it a 3rd time and I got a 1510 with the. And then I took it again and I got a score of a 1510 with the 730 in English and writing and then a 780 in math. And now I took it again after completing my freshman year at UPenn and I got a 750 on reading and writing and a 780 on math, which means that I got a 1530 in total, which is 20 points higher than my original score in high school, which is very surprising. I was not expecting that at all. And I'll tell you why. This test doesn't test on any sort of knowledge that's useful in college. Like I don't remember having to like, you know, do half of the stuff I did on that test like in a class in college or for an assignment. I really don't understand what the purpose of this test is. Obviously my score was higher than it was back in high school, which I don't really know what that means. I honestly think it was by chance because I guessed on quite a few answers because I really didn't know the answer to. But I just think the SAT sort of tests people on like how well they can study, not necessarily on like how capable they are of like succeeding in college, because I needed to study back then to like improve my score, but I still felt like I was like the same level of like intelligent. Yeah, honestly, if you don't have to take this test, don't take this test. I don't think it's necessary. I know a lot of colleges have like gotten rid of their SAT requirements because of the pandemic. So I just think in general like colleges are starting to care less about it. So if you can excuse yourself from this like literal torture, please do so. Other than that, I don't know. If you have to take it, I do have SAT videos with study tips that I use to improve my score. I'm gonna put it in the link below, so go watch that. But yeah, subscribe, like this video, share it, do whatever you want. All right, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.